So you want to make a pool tether. Just get a strap that has a clip on it. That you'll use to tie around your waist. Add another sort of strap. I just tied it up in a knot here. And then attach all that to a bungee cord. And you'll see here the bungee cord and test it out. And anchor that on some sort of post or fence or something like that. And then when you're in the water, just buckle it around your waist, and voila, you can swim on the spot in this pool, in my little 12-foot above ground pool. Thanks for watching.